In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a login, logout link to your main menu. In order for this to work, the first thing you need to confirm is that your theme integrates with WordPress menus. You'll be able to tell that by going to Appearance, Menus, and then looking in this box up here, which will tell you whether or not your theme supports menus. After confirming that, just go to MemberMouse, General Settings, Other Settings, and then under WordPress menu options, check off Show Login Logout Link and click Save Settings. Now when we go back to our membership site and refresh, we'll see that a login link is automatically added to our menu, and when we click on this and log in, we'll see that it automatically toggles itself. So now that we're logged in, it displays a logout link, and when we click on it, we'll be logged out. And now it's back to a login link.